Begin our journey into the world of life and living by exploring the cell, the fundamental unit of all living organisms. Every living thing from the tiniest bacterium to the largest tree is made up of cells. These microscopic structures are responsible for providing support, facilitating growth, taking in nutrients, and carrying out specialized functions. Most cells are so small that we need a microscope to see them. Inside each cell there are even smaller parts called organelles, each with a unique role. For example, the cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell, while the cytoplasm houses the organelles and supports vital biochemical reactions. The nucleus acts as the control center, holding the DNA and regulating activities. Mitochondria generate energy, vacuoles store nutrients, and in plant cells, chloroplasts capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Understanding these basics sets the stage for exploring how life functions at every level. Cells don't work alone, they join together to form tissues which then combine to create organs. Organs work in harmony as part of organ systems, each with a specific job. For example, the nervous system acts as the body's command center, sending messages through the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The musculoskeletal system gives our body structure and enables movement, while the excretory system removes waste to keep our internal environment stable. Stem cells play a special role as they can become any type of cell needed for growth or repair. This organization from cell to tissue, organ, and system ensures that our bodies function smoothly. By understanding these connections, we can appreciate how complex life really is and how each part, no matter how small, is essential for survival. Let's take a closer look at some of the body's most important systems. The respiratory system is responsible for exchanging gases, bringing in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Air travels from the nose or mouth through the trachea into the lungs, where tiny alveoli allow for gas exchange by diffusion. The circulatory system, powered by the heart, transports oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body using arteries, veins, and capillaries. The excretory system, including the kidneys, bladder, skin, and lungs, removes waste and maintains balance. Each system is vulnerable to health issues like asthma in the respiratory system or high blood pressure in the circulatory system. By keeping these systems healthy, we support the body's overall function and well-being. Reproduction is essential for the continuation of life. The human reproductive system produces sex cells, sperm in males and eggs in females. Puberty marks the beginning of reproductive maturity, triggered by hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Physical changes such as breast development in females and voice deepening in males signal this transition. Fertilization occurs when a sperm and egg unite, and the resulting embryo develops in the uterus. The placenta nourishes the growing fetus, and after about 9 months, birth occurs. Health issues like infertility or sexually transmitted diseases can affect this system, but understanding how it works helps us make informed choices about our health and future. Digestive system breaks down food into nutrients our bodies need for energy, growth, and repair. Digestion starts in the mouth, continues through the stomach and intestines, and ends with the absorption of nutrients and elimination of waste. A healthy diet includes a balance of fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy, while limiting fats, sugars, and processed foods. Eating disorders like anorexia and bulimia disrupt this process and can have serious health consequences. By understanding digestion and making healthy choices, we support our body systems and overall well-being.